Hello everyone. Let us start with our second question on dynamic programming. Let us start with a simple recursion question first and then we will jump to DP question. So suppose you are given number of stairs. It can be 7, 8, 100, etc. So n number of stairs are given and we have to climb these stairs by taking either one or two steps. So how would we approach this question? Let's visualize it first. So we have these 7 steps in the staircase, and a person named Peter, suppose, wants to join these stairs in such a way that right now he is standing on the floor, that is zeroth stair, and he wants to go to the top one. And as it is 7, so it means he somehow want to reach that seventh step. And so now we have to consider this that he can either jump one or two steps at a time. So one approach is that Peter will climb the stairs one at a time. So he'll go like one, 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 and one, right? Another approach is Peter will climb two steps three times, that is two, 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 and then one step at the end. So this is also one of the ways in which he can reach to the topmost stair. Or maybe he could choose to climb one stair, then two, then one, then two, and then one again. So it means there are so many other possibilities also which Peter can use, such as he can choose 1 1 1 1 1 2 or 1 1 1 2 2 or maybe 1 1 2 2 1, etc. So there are a lot of other opportunities as well, as we can see, right? Now if we want to visualize it through a state space tree, suppose we want to climb 5 stairs and 5 choices, and 5 to climb these 5 stairs, 2 choices are there of 1 or 2 steps again. Then state space tree would look like this. First we are at 0, and then we want to climb 5 stairs, so we have two options that are coming from zeroth stair, that is 1 or 2 steps. If we take one step, then again either we can climb 1 or 2 stairs, so again two options. If we have chosen 1, then the tree will extend like this, right? That is 1 and 2, so these two options will be there. Or otherwise if we have chosen 2, then again two options will be there, which are 1 and 2. So tree will look like this. So from each step, we have got two options in this particular instance, that are 1 and 2. So either you can jump one step at a time or two. Now after applying the same approach, we will get a base case also. So for example, after climbing 1 1 1 1 1, that is 5 times 1, you will reach your first base case. That is, you have come onto the topmost stair, right? So this is where we have to stop our recursive tree. Another terminating condition could be that maybe you are on a step which is in counting is more than 5. For example, suppose you have chosen 2 2 2, so in this the total sum is 6, which is greater than 5. So this is also one of the terminating case, because you need not to extend your branch now, because you are not going to get a valid answer after getting 6, right? So you can stop it, and it is not a feasible solution as well, but it is one of the places where you can terminate your case, right? As 2 2 2 can be a case, but total number of jumps are 6, which is more than 5, hence this is not a valid case, right? So it is an invalid case, but the terminating case is there. So we will terminate the branch as of now, as it is not giving us any fruitful result. All right, now let us see a code, right? Let us do it in the code and see that how this particular example will work on the editor, right? So let us code. So let's start implementing this one. So suppose the name of our function is climbing stairs. Now, first of all, we will pass an argument, which is the total number of stairs and the current stairs. So current stair is 0 and total number of stairs are, suppose, 5. And this string we are passing, which is basically showing us that what are the total ways that we have calculated, right? So it is going to show us the actual ways in which you can climb the 5 stairs. After this, we are taking the parameters in, which is the first one is current stair, then the second one is total number of stairs, and the third one is string answer, in which we are actually going to calculate or keep the answer. So what is the exact way that we have chosen that we are keeping in the answer? So now the first base case is that if current stair has been equals to the total, right? It means that you have reached your first base case. So you can print the answer that you have got, and then you can stop the execution there itself. So you're terminating the branch. The other case is current state is greater than the total number of stairs. So in this case, just simply return. It means that the total number of stairs are smaller than the current stairs. Third case is else part, in which we are actually making the recursive calls. So in this, +1 simply means that you're using one step at a time, and +2 means that you're using two steps at a time, right? So this is how we have made this particular made these two calls in this particular question. So this is how the recursive tree is growing in two directions. Now let us run it, and these are the number of ways. Let us see it. Yeah, so these are the number of ways in which we can make or climb 5